white, this lovely looking Mercedes ML Sport Automatic. It's the 4MATIC 4-wheel drive. It's got unblemished anthracite alloy wheels. The car looks and drives perfectly. Just had it checked over at Mercedes independent dealer. Any issues sorted out. It's just been serviced as well. It's got rear park distance control, side steps. It's got electric tailgate. See, the boot area is all in fantastic condition. It's got electric windows, electric mirrors, electric seats, half leather look Alcantara, automatic headlights. It has satellite navigation as well, paddle shift on the gearbox, cruise control and Bluetooth. It's fully loaded, heated seats, at DJH with full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.